Commando. Do you remember which cars appear in this movie alongside John Matrix? And did you know there are two ultra-rare cars in the film that most people have never even heard of? Ready? Then let's go. Chevrolet Blazer, Cheyenne. Mercedes-Benz 280 SE. Walter CB3000. Sunbeam Alpine Series 4. Porsche 911 Targa. Cadillac Eldorado. And International Harvester Metro Van. And two ultra-rare classic cars that appear in the background. Rare Brazilian classic, the MP Leifer. And the British Nash Metropolitan. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in more cars from movies, check out the other videos on famous movie cars.